How to delete all Facebook posts at once. First, I open the Facebook app, then go to my Facebook profile. Select the three-dot icon. Select Activity Log. Under your Facebook activity, everyone select the small arrow icon. Select Manage Posts. Select Filter. Categories. Select your posts, photos, and videos. To delete all Facebook posts at once, everyone select All. Select Trash. Select Move to Trash. Then go to the trash. Select All. Select the three-dot icon. Select Delete. Select Delete. Then enter your Facebook account password to delete everything. And that's it. This is how you can delete all your Facebook posts at once.